Well, this is the next part of the first video about the Pinacolic rearrangement. So recall that a penol is this molecule, okay? So under acidic conditions, we are going to to observe a rearrangement, okay? So one of the substituents of this carbon that holds OH is going to be transferred here, and OH after like deprotonation is going to leave. It's a good leaving group, okay? So as I told you, so you have to delete this one. Then when we form a positive charge, so this one is going to attack this carbon, okay? So we are going to form another, this one, okay? So the positive charge is here, and with using a water molecule, we're going to grab this hydrogen. We form an O minus, which is going to form the ketone form, okay? So we will have a ketone here, okay? So this is the product, the final product, okay? Sorry. So right now we talk about the semi-pinnacle, Pinacolic rearrangement, okay? So it is going to be, it's not going to be the same, well, it's going to be the same way, but starting from different molecule, not very different. Here we have an amine group instead of an OH, okay? So here we can have phenyl, sorry, group, and here we have H and CH3. So under, well, we can say, sorry, acidic and not acidic conditions. So we have another HNO2, okay? So this molecule is going to react with an amine. So we are going to form N2 at the end, okay? So N2 is going to be formed. So what we can write, so everything PH, OH, and here the HCH3, and here we have N2 instead of NH2, okay? So this N2 is actually plus in general, okay? So we are going to make it leave. It's a good leaving group, okay? So let me just try to write it, to draw a new molecule. So we are going to make it leave, but how? So it is going to leave directly, okay? As in the first video, like with the Pinacolic, with the water molecule. So with the OH, sorry. So we're gonna have OH here, and here a positive charge, okay, on the carbon. So we still have phenyl group, and so what are we going to do? The same thing, a rearrangement here. They're going to attack the carbon, and we form OH, a positive charge, because we only have one phenyl group, okay? So we form this one is going to be HCH3 and H, okay? So most stable. Well, let me just zoom in. Well, now we have to introduce a water molecule as before. It is going to grab the hydrogen, and then we form an alkylate, an alkoxide. So this one is the new molecule, and we just have to fold. This one is going to be folded, and we form a ketone with the rest here of the molecule, okay? So here is the final product. Okay, so it could be like this. This reaction is like we can do it like starting by OH a penal. Okay, so we end up forming a ketone. So the first one is going to be a ketone, and the second one is going to be like, it depends on what we add here. For example, if we add a chlor, it's going to be a Cl here. Okay, so if we add I don't know, NH, sorry, I mean like this, like, I mean, it depends on what we have here. Okay, so the same reaction, the same mechanism as we have seen before in the two videos.